Namaste, welcome to Brinda's Healthy Lifestyle. If you are watching my channel for the first time, please do subscribe my channel, like and share my videos and then press the bell icon. Today, let me show you a yummy recipe using this dillis where I will be showing you akki roti or sabakki roti in Kannada. This is the traditional South Indian breakfast which is mainly prepared by Kannadigas. So, here I have taken almost 2 cups of rice flour and almost 1 cup of chopped onions. Here I have cut onions into small pieces, and then I am taking more quantity of sabakki leaves or dill leaves. See, I have taken almost 2 cups of sabakki leaves here. I mean the same quantity of rice flour I am taking this sabakki leaves. Sabakki leaves has very rich antioxidants. So, I just love this flavor also, so I am adding it more. So, once we add this sabakki leaves, I have washed and chopped it into small this sabakki leaves. I think you can even make out. So, here I am taking this mixture. This is of coconut, green chilli and crystal salt. Let me say once again, coconut, green chilli and crystal salt I have just given a slight mix in the mixie. So, I am going to add this mixture also. So, no need to add again salt. Then after this I am going to add almost a teaspoon of jeera here. So, once we add jeera, just mix it slightly and make it into a dough manner using little by little water quantity. Sprinkle little by little quantity of water. See, I am going to add and make it into a nice dough. See how nice it is. Just keep on mixing it for a while. It takes almost some 2 to 3 minutes to mix this dough, and this dough should be in this consistency. Let me show you. See, like this dough should be in this consistency. This is more than enough, and just close it with the lid and keep it aside for some 5 to 6 minutes. So, then later let us take a tawa. So, here I have taken iron tawa. I am just going to sprinkle a spoon of or half spoon of groundnut oil. You can even use coconut oil or else gingerly oil too. So, I am going to take a handful of batter here and just keep on spreading it in evenly. Make sure that you are doing it in a round, you are spreading it in a round shape. This needs some experience, but if you keep on doing it, you will get to know this. As we know, the leaves are rich in antioxidants. It is a good source of vitamin C, which has many health benefits like calcium, and it is a very good source of fiber and many more. So, the leaves are very useful for our health also. So, after spreading this evenly and make sure that it is in a round shape. So, I have spread it nicely. Now, I am going to just make holes. You see, I am going to make here holes. I have done here almost 4 to 5 holes, and let me sprinkle almost a drop of oil into that holes so that it gets toasted well. I am not applying more oil, just sprinkling a few drops of oil here. Then switch on the stove and keep it on stove. You see the color is changing from the bottom. So, once the color is changing, it is the time to flip off this roti. Just turn this roti upside down and leave it for another 2 to 3 minutes on stove itself in a medium flame. So, after 2 to 3 minutes, just take out this roti. This is fried almost both the sides. So, this is the time we can even take it to serving plate. See, I am going to take this to serving plate. How nice, yummy is this? I just love to have the sabakki leaves. So, here I am serving this roti with coconut chutney and cucumber. This is more than enough for a breakfast. Thank you. Please do subscribe my channel.